Hello, hello. This video is all about CSS modifiers, how to create them in an efficient way. So let's say you have a website that's about pies, and you probably want to have cards with pies on them. So you'll have a regular pie card, and then if pies have won a special award, you'll have first, second, or third. So these are modifiers of the block card, and they're denoted by a double dash. So double dash first, second, third. So how do we accomplish this? Well, what we don't do is we don't create 4 different code blocks. Nope. What we do is we take all of the elements we'll need to create all of these different modifiers and cram them into one block, which in this case is the article. So we have the first, second, and third badge here, right? So now if we look on the front end, it's going to look like a hot mess. You're going to have first, second, and third all in like one place. Ew. So what we do is we turn it off. That's the second step. So we're going to go in, and I use attribute selectors here, and we're going to turn off the first badge, second badge, third badge, all right? So now we're left with the block, right? We're going to get rid of those. So we're just going to see stuff that we'll need for the block. And we'll style that. And then after that, what we do is we add a double dash first, right? And then we basically turn back on the badge. So that's step 3, turning on the badges. So to do that, again, I use attribute selectors. I do it because it offers me flexibility in case I want to append this class to other classes. So what we do is we say display block. So in the first case, we want to have the first badge. So we do double dash first here to activate this badge. And by default, these other badges have been turned off, right? Because of this step 2. So those badges will be turned off, and all we'll see is the first badge, and we'll be able to style this. And then we'll repeat the process with the second and the third, just adding that modifier second to it, styling it. And at the very end, you'll have the finished product, which is the block with all the different modifier classes that can be attached to it, changing to the different styles. And we're done.